The Alpine badge has always carried with it a sense of lightweight precision, a driver's car built not for excess but for connection. In 2026, Renault's Alpine division has sharpened that philosophy even further with the new A110R, a machine that blends modern engineering with the classic spirit of French performance. The A110R isn't trying to chase horsepower wars or outgun hypercars. Instead, it's focused on something purer: agility, refinement, and the thrill of driving. Today, we're diving deep into its design, its cabin, its performance numbers, and what it costs to get one in your garage. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Alpine A110R immediately communicates intent. The design takes the already sleek A110 platform and gives it an edge. The car sits slower, wider, and more aggressive, yet it never loses the elegance that has defined Alpine. The sculpted body panels have been honed in the wind tunnel, where aerodynamic efficiency was prioritized as much as style. A new carbon fiber hood, roof, and rear wing not only reduce weight but also enhance downforce. The front fascia now incorporates more pronounced air intakes, channeling cool air toward the engine and brakes while giving the car a sharper presence on the road. Around the back, the A110R ditches unnecessary bulk for a motorsport-inspired diffuser, framed by dual exhausts that promise a raspy soundtrack. The carbon fiber rear wing doesn't just look dramatic, it actually balances airflow, keeping the car planted at high speeds. Lightweight forged wheels complete the exterior package, saving crucial kilograms and wrapping around Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that give the A110R a proper race-ready stance. Overall, this is a car that looks alive, even standing still, with every detail serving both aesthetic beauty and mechanical purpose. Step inside, and the philosophy of weight reduction and driver focus continues. The cabin of the 2026 A110R is minimalist without being cold. Instead of luxury-laden interiors that add unnecessary bulk, Alpine has opted for exposed carbon fiber bucket seats that hug the driver tightly. These seats, crafted from a single shell design, are paired with racing harnesses that instantly make you feel like you're about to attack a circuit. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara for maximum grip, with subtle blue stitching as a nod to Alpine's heritage. Despite its hardcore persona, the A110R doesn't feel stripped bare. There's still a digital driver's display providing performance telemetry, a compact infotainment screen with smartphone connectivity, and lightweight climate controls. Alpine understands that while this car is track-focused, many owners will still drive it on the road. The balance between essential comforts and track-ready minimalism is executed with impressive precision. Every toggle, every dial, and every surface feels deliberate, designed to keep your attention on the driving rather than distractions. Now let's talk about performance, because that's where the A110R really comes alive. Power comes from the same 1.8-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but tuned here to deliver sharper responses. Output is rated at around 340 horsepower, which may not sound like much compared to supercars in the same price bracket. But remember, the A110R weighs just 1,050 kilograms thanks to its extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight materials. That weight-to-power ratio makes all the difference. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 3.6 seconds, and the top speed is an impressive 186 miles per hour. The real magic, though, isn't in straight-line figures but in handling. Alpine has reworked the suspension for even more precision, fitting adjustable dampers that let drivers fine-tune their setup whether they're on a mountain road or a racetrack. The lowered ride height and stiffer anti-roll bars give the car an almost telepathic connection to the tarmac. Steering feedback is direct, sharp, and unfiltered, reminding you of sports cars from a bygone era but with modern grip and balance. The braking system, featuring carbon ceramic discs, ensures fade-free stopping power even after repeated hard use. What makes the A110R stand out in today's performance market is its dedication to lightweight simplicity. In a world where many sports cars are pushing 2 tons and beyond, Alpine proves that less weight can mean more fun, more control, and more excitement. It's a car that thrives on corners, rewarding skilled drivers with every input. When it comes to pricing, Alpine has placed the A110R in an interesting position. Starting at around $120,000, it undercuts rivals like the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS while offering a similarly purist driving experience. For that price, buyers are essentially getting a road-legal track weapon that carries exclusivity and style, with limited production numbers expected to make it even more desirable among enthusiasts. Factor in customization options like bespoke paint, interior trims, and performance upgrades, and the A110R becomes a highly personal statement of driving passion. In the bigger picture, the 2026 Renault Alpine A110R represents more than just another sports car. It embodies the philosophy that driving joy isn't defined solely by massive horsepower or aggressive marketing figures. It's defined by how the car makes you feel behind the wheel, alight, connected, and alive. Alpine has managed to create a car that's raw yet refined, aggressive yet elegant, and above all, deeply rewarding to drive. For enthusiasts who crave an authentic connection with the road, who value agility over brute force, and who want something rare and distinctive in a sea of oversized performance machines, the A110R is a compelling choice. It's proof that Alpine hasn't lost its touch and that the spirit of lightweight, driver-focused sports cars is very much alive in 2026. So, whether you're chasing lap times or winding mountain roads, the Renault Alpine A110R delivers thrills in their purest form. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And in a world moving rapidly toward electrification and automation, the A110R reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place.